to us, we will face competition for the Earth itself, from a life form we arrogantly ignore. We will be overrun, deposed, and succeeded by an army that was here long before us and is ultimately better equipped to survive than we. Battalions of mindless soldiers entering the contest with capabilities beyond our imagination. Yes, I'm talking about insects. And if you at this moment dare to think this is lunacy, I invite you to remain in your seat, draw your own conclusion, and learn the inevitable destiny of ignorance.
And so they came from outer space, unknown to a small group of astronauts. Their entire space capsule was loaded with live nymphs of this terrible creature, bringing the terror of the man-eating cicadas to planet Earth. The men never survived the landing on Earth. Pieces of their bodies were found much, much later. Oh my God, I think we got here too late. Do you think it was Jerry? It sure looks like his skull. He doesn't... No one stands a chance. God. Isn't this what happened to Mick Taylor? I think so. What a way to go. You ain't kidding. Bugged to death. So that's where they come from. They're just crawling out of the ground. At this rate, I don't think there's any stopping them. Yeah, it's strange that they're all out like this. Hey Bruce, weren't there supposed to be some other people here? Huh? Weren't there supposed to be some other people here? Maybe they got lost on the way up. I don't know, I don't even see anything left of them. You don't think they got? Well, I don't know, these things, you can't trust the cicada, you know. Anything's gonna help or we're done for. We're all over the place. Got one of the little critters. Yeah? Ugly little thing, isn't it? Wonder what the bastard tastes like. Disgusting. Look, I think we found their car. But no sign of them. This should make some good soup when I get it home. Little cayenne pepper, little onion. I think we'll have some good cicada soup. Only make this soup every 17 years. It approached a stalled car. Is it going to eat the car? Oh no, it's approaching the gas truck. What could it mean? Yo, the corner of my leg. Yeah, the gas truck. The dog! The poor dog got it! Oh my God! I'm allergic to burning dog. God, what a way to go! Nothing's safe. Look! Nothing left but the collar. I I just got back from the farmhouse up north. They're everywhere. They're crawling out of the rafters, the woodworks, the ground. They're everywhere.
Wait a minute.
There's thousands
What?
of them. They already killed Jerry.
Thousands
They'll
of
get
what?
more. I don't know where Lee and Lorraine are. They're going to get all of us. We don't stand a
Wait a
chance.
minute, what are they? What are you
The
talking about?
cicadas. The cicadas.
Little
Cicadas.
cicadas?
Blood-sucking, killing cicadas.
Wait a minute, Bruce.
Can't you hear them? They're everywhere. They're all over. Hear them.
Wait, just calm down.
They
Wait.
almost got me
Slow
today.
Down,
They
slow down,
almost
Bruce.
killed me.
Slow
Look,
down.
look,
Bruce,
see,
Bruce,
see,
slow down.
see.
Have a drink.
There's bites all over me.
Have a drink,
Yeah,
Bruce.
I was lucky I
You've
got
got a
away.
rash.
All right, I need a drink. All right,
Have a drink.
but they're everywhere. You don't understand. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. There's millions of them. There's thousands.
Cicadas?
Yes, Jerry's gone. Lee and Lorraine unaccounted for. I don't know who's. They'll get it. They'll get them all.
Uh-huh. Now, you feel better now? What's wrong? You alright?
God, what happened to him? That's hideous. God, listen to them bugs. We better get out of here. What do you think caused it? Don't say the tequila.
No, I think it's those atomic cicadas.
God, what a way to die.
They burn you and they eat you.
God. It's going to be getting dark soon, too. You can hear them frogs already. Smoked to death.
You're not looking too good, Lee. Something wrong, Lee? Lee, what's wrong?
We never found out where they came from. Just that they were gone and hopefully never to return. What we don't know is what could happen in the future from them being here.